Most millionaires secretly build their wealth through real estate, but they never tell you about the one property type that changed everything for me. 3 years ago, I was stuck with 2 rental houses, bleeding money every month. Traditional single-family homes seemed like the safe bet, but I was barely breaking even after maintenance and vacancies. Then I discovered something that flipped my entire strategy: commercial laundromats. I know it sounds boring, but hear me out. While everyone chases flashy fix and flips, I found a 24-unit laundromat in a working-class neighborhood. The numbers were incredible: consistent daily cash flow, minimal maintenance, and recession-proof demand because people always need clean clothes. Here's the breakdown that sold me. Purchase price was $180,000. Monthly gross income averaged $8,500. After expenses, I was netting $4,200 monthly. That's a 28% cash-on-cash return compared to the 6% I was getting from residential rentals. The beauty is diversification without complexity. Instead of managing multiple properties with different tenants, I had one location generating income from hundreds of customers daily. No late-night emergency calls about broken toilets or difficult tenants. 6 months later, I used the cash flow to acquire 2 more laundromats in a small storage facility. My portfolio now generates $12,000 monthly in passive income. The real estate game isn't about finding the prettiest properties. It's about finding overlooked opportunities that generate consistent cash flow while everyone else competes for the same residential deals. What unconventional property type have you been overlooking that could transform your investment strategy?